Yo, what's up, what's popping, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Okay, today I just wanted to do something different. Okay, probably you might enjoy, you might take advantage of this also and take a trade. We are going to possibly take a trade together. And what do I mean by this? I'm going to post this video today. This is analysis I'm doing on volatility 25 today. So if you are opportunity to watch this video today, I think you will still have opportunity to enter this trade with us, or even tomorrow. So because I think we are going to go, we are going to stay long, kind of on this trade. Okay. So if you look at the price action, remember what I told you before. If you have been watching my video, you know my rule. There must be a set down rules that you follow whenever you are doing your analysis. Okay, I said that the first thing you do each time you open your chart is to go to a higher time frame like daily time frame to see the overview of the trend. Okay, or 1 week time frame, anyone that you are using, just make sure you are using a higher time frame to see what the price have been doing for a very long time. Okay, if you look at this price, you can see that the price have been trending down. Okay, it has been down, it has been down, it has been down. Okay, so now this kind of trade, okay, this kind of opportunity, swing traders actually enjoy this. Okay, so if you're a swing trader, this is an opportunity you are looking for. Okay, you are looking for a situation whereby the price has gone way down, okay, than the previous swing lows. Okay, you want to see when the price have maybe either up or down, have gone extremely up or down. If I should pick a line, okay, if I should pick a line here, horizontal line, and keep here and decide to scroll back, you can see that the price have not even come close to this point. So this is the lowest point the price have gotten to for a very long period of time. So any swing trader will be looking for opportunity to catch that massive movement upward, okay, when the price is going to swing or reverse from a downtrend to an uptrend. Okay, but someone like me, I'm just looking for opportunity to take some pips, and also if the price should swing from that point, then I also enjoy it at the same time. So I'm going to show you how to take advantage of this kind of trend. Okay, how to take advantage, maybe going long for a very short period of time, and also monitor your trade to hold the trade if the price actually reverses to an uptrend for you to increase your profitability. But the important thing is that this analysis is going to help you take some pips out of this market. Also, if the price should reverse, if this is a reversal point, you will enjoy a massive profit right here using this simple analysis. Okay, now if you look at this particular price action, you will see that this price have been trending down. Okay, there is no argument that this is a downtrend. Now if you look at this point, you discover that the price is currently on a support level. Okay, on a support level. So we are looking for an opportunity to go long on this trade. Okay, now how do we know how do we now get this signal to enter a trade? Okay, so if you look at this point, so that you not be a bit confused or trying to take the wrong position, if you look at this price action, you discover that there was a time the price was here. So many swing traders might be thinking, okay, this price have gotten to the lowest point, I think this price is going to reverse up. Some of them will enter a trade here, some will enter at this point, some will enter here, and decided to hold the trade because they believe, okay, this is a swing point. It's like we are going to take it upward. Okay, and after this point the price push up, bounce back and keep going down. If they set their stop loss at this point, their stop loss will be triggered and they will lose this trade. Okay, the same thing happened here. It happened here, it happened here. You can see those swing lows. Okay, and currently it's happening here. So what is the opportunity we are seeing here? How can we enter this trade? Okay, how can we enter this trade and make sure that we come out with profit? Okay, now the price can actually break our support level and keep going down. But look at the interesting part of it. Before it breaks down, we are expecting a pullback upward. Okay, before the price now come down to break this support level and keep going down. So that is our target. Our target number one is to pick this pullback, all right, with this analysis. Now the next thing is to monitor the pullback and make sure if the price should break the previous high, okay, we now enjoy that massive movement upward. That's what we are looking for. That is the opportunity we are looking for. And how do we now get these entries? How do we now confirm this? How do we now enter this trade? That's exactly what I want to show you in this video. We are going to do the analysis together. We might actually enter the trade together, or we might monitor the trade after this, then take a trade later. But the important thing is that you see the step-by-step process of simple analysis on any indices at all, even currency pairs. Okay, now let me do away with all these my lines here. All right, so all I need to do now is to go to a lower time frame, like 4 hours time frame, from a daily time frame to 4 hours time frame. Okay, to see whether the price is at a support level, clearly on a support level. So if you look at this price, you can see that this price is clearly on a support level. You can see the price tested this point, okay, the first time, this point the second time, and the price at this point again the third time. Okay, so this price is clearly on a support level. Okay, now this is the first information we've gotten, and in this analysis, that we have seen that the price is currently on a support level. So we are going to be looking for opportunities to long, okay, to go long on this trade. Okay, even though we are not going to, you know, blindly stay for a very long time thinking that the price is reversing up. Okay, we want to monitor our trade, take advantage of the pullback, and if it is a breakout, if it's going to reverse to the opposite direction, we are still going to hold our trade to enjoy it. Okay, I will show you the take profit 1, take profit 2, and how to monitor this trade. Now we have seen that the price is currently on a support level. Okay, what we need to do now is to go to a lower time frame to picture maybe to see any signal entry, maybe using candlestick pattern or consolidations or anything at all to enter our trade. Okay, now why I say that you should not blindly hold this trade for a very long time is that if you look back, you will see that there was a time something like this happened, and after it happened, the price keep going down. Okay, so we should also take a note of these things. You can see the price was ranging all through this point. Okay, if you look here, you can see that the price has been ranging all through this point. But at this point, people might think, okay, this is the point, this is the time the price is going to reverse and keep going up. But after it, the price breaks out of that range and keep going down, and that's exactly what is happening again right here. Okay, it's happening again right here. So could this be the point where this price will reverse from a downtrend to an uptrend? I don't know, and I guess you might not know too, because nobody controls the price. The price will do whatever the price wants to do. All right, so but the interesting part of it, you want to take advantage of this. You want to actually take a trade on this to make sure that we are coming out with positive results. Okay, and also if the price is reversing to the upward direction, we want to also enjoy that massive movement. Okay, so let me do away with this line first. Okay, so now I have to go down to maybe a 1 hour time frame to see if we have any entry signal, so that we picture a point where we'll be entering our trade. So if you are using a 4 hours time frame, you can actually enter the trade regarding that the price that is a support level. Let me see if we have any other signal here to enter this trade. Now on a support level, there was you can see we had a hammer right there, which is a bullish pin back candlestick pattern before this pullback and this particular candlestick that is forming. Okay, so you can actually enter a trade here. You know, the price actually pushed up using a candlestick pattern right here, known as the tweezer bottom. You can see these two candlesticks here. This is called the tweezer bottom. The bottom are equal, all right, and that was the reason why this price pushed up. So at this point, you can see we had a pin back and this bullish pin back. Okay, and currently the price is at a support level. So if you are using 4 hours time frame to enter your trade, you might consider entering this trade now. But the problem is that if you are using a higher time frame, okay, like 4 hours time frame, that means you must have a good amount of money in your account balance. Okay, so that if the price, if currently we are seeing a pullback, okay, so that you must make sure that your account be able to hold the pullback. Because if you are entering this trade at this point, your stop loss level should be somewhere below this support level. Okay, that should be your stop loss level, right? So your stop level should be somewhere here. That means the price moving from here to here might cost you some money. So for you to actually enter the trade on a 4 hours time frame, you must make sure that you have a good amount of money in your trading account, okay, that can hold this kind of pullback. But for me, we are going to go up to go down to a lower time frame to picture some entry point, okay, using using some entry signals, okay. So now if I should go down to, let me just zoom out, okay. So what I need to do is that I need to go down to 1 hour time frame. So now I'm down to 1 hour time frame. Down to 1 hour time frame, we can check out some patterns, okay. If you look here on 1 hour time frame, currently we have a candlestick pattern known as a dragonfly candlestick pattern, which is the doji, okay, bullish signal right here, okay. So if we are assuming we discover this on time, we would have entered this trade at this point. After that, the close of that dragonfly, we enter this trade at this point, okay. But it is not actually bad if we enter this trade any point here, okay, at any point here, okay. So we still want to check maybe 15 minutes time frame, which is my favorite entry time frame when I'm not staying, like when I'm scalping a kind of, because this trade I'm not really going to hold it for a very long time, because I want to check if this is a reversal or not, okay. So now if I should enter this trade here, we are still going to be profitable, okay. Now the reason being that we discovered a dragonfly doji at this point, which is a bullish signal, all right. So but I still needed to go down to my 15 minutes time frame to picture an entry. Then you need to check out this, okay. Let's go down to 15 minutes time frame first, okay. So on 15 minutes time frame, let me do this. So on 15 minutes time frame, you can see we had a bullish candlestick pattern at this point. You can see this, okay. You can see a doji at this point, okay. A doji formed after this pin bar and pull back, then a doji formed and it pushed this price way up to this point, okay. And currently we have a pin bar right here. So I'm definitely going to enter this trade right now. But even if you miss this entry now, the price might likely go down to retest this point again, okay. Might likely go down to retest this point before it starts pushing up. But for now, I'm going to enter this trade. So let me go to, I think I'm going to enter this trade at this point. So I think I need to use my phone for this trade. So I wanted us to do it together. So we have to enter this trade together. So you can see my entry right there, okay. You can see my entry right there. I just entered the trade so that you will see how this analysis work, okay. I said we might be entering the trade together. Then if you miss this entry, you can still enter after watching this video just to show you some simple entry that you don't even need more using indicators or drawing, you know, series of lines, okay. Now already the price, let's watch and see how the price move. I entered this trade because we missed the first entry right here. So let me go back to trading view, okay. So we missed the first entry right here. Sorry, let me do away with this. So we missed our first entry, which is after this candlestick pattern here. We could have entered somewhere here, okay. So but we missed our entry. Then look at where our stop loss should be. No matter where you enter this trade, your stop loss should be below this swing low, okay. Now I just entered this trade now because of this pattern. After a pullback, a pin bar candlestick pattern form, which is a hammer, which is at the kind of showing me that we are going to go long, okay. This price is going to go way up again for some time. Then the question is, where are we targeting? Where are we targeting now? If you, let me zoom in, zoom out, sorry. So if you look at this point, we have a kind of resistance level. Look at the second point you should be targeting. If the price should break this point, okay, if the price should break this resistance level here, that's the second point. If you miss this entry, you can enter the next one at this point, okay. So once the price breaks out of this resistance level, you can see the price tested here, okay, and you can still see the price close to this point. So if the price come back to this point and breaks here, okay, you have to enter. Once the price closes above, a candlestick closes above that our green line, so the blue is going to be our second entry, okay. Blue is going to be our second entry. Remember, I entered using this second signal, okay. After missing the first one, I entered using this pin bar candlestick pattern right here, okay, so which is a bullish pin bar. So now if you have missed this one, the second one is at our blue. After a breakout of this resistance level, I have to zoom in so that you guys can see clearly, okay. So after this point, that is where you will be entering another one, which is at this blue, okay. So now the question is, where is our take profit level? Okay, now we have to switch to a higher time frame, like 1 hour time frame, to see our take profit level, guys. So this is 1 hour time frame. Let me okay, so the first take profit level should be, first TP should be here, okay. So the blue should be my take profit level, guys. That is the first TP, and second TP should be here, okay. If you check my entry, you discover this is more than 1:2 reward ratio, okay, which is a perfect risk management. All right, so if you check, you can see that. All right, sorry. So our TP level 1 should be here, okay. CP1, this should be our CP1. Then our TP2, so this one should be our TP2, okay. That is our second take profit level. All right, so if you look at this using our position size, you will discover that this is a good risk reward ratio, okay. We enter this trade at this point, and this is our TP1. You can see it's more than 1:2 risk reward, because this is the point we are going to be setting our stop loss, okay. So our TP2 is somewhere here, okay. So before now, after a breakout of this zone, okay, which is the previous swing high, we might have we might hold our trade for a very long time, okay, because it's a kind of signal that the price has reversed to an uptrend, okay, which is the opportunity many swing traders are looking for. So after a breakout from this is a confirmation that we are going to be entering more trades after this breakout, okay. But first, this is our TP1 and TP2, okay. So this is how simple this thing is. We enter this trade together, and you can see we are in massive profit, guys. We are in massive profit, okay. Some people that will always ask, is this a live account, is it a demo? I don't know. If you check where, you know whether it's live or demo, but I don't even care about all those things. The important thing is that we are analyzing the trade and it's working according to our analysis. That's all. This is live trading. We started this thing together, we entered the trade together, and we are in profit together, okay. So if you miss this entry, the second entry is after a breakout from this point. This is our green line right here, okay. This green, after a breakout here, you have to enter. That is the second entry, okay. Then after that, you target here as the take profit 1, take profit 2, and that is that. This is how simple this analysis is. Remember, we went to a higher time frame, higher time frame, like a daily time frame, which is 24 hours, to see the overview of the trend, okay. We discovered that the price have been trending down, and at that point we discovered that the price at a support level, which is we are going to be looking for a buying signal, okay. Then we switch to a lower time frame, like 4 hours, to see if we have any confirmation, okay. When we went to lower time frame 1 hour, we discovered that the price is at a support, it's confirming the support level. Okay, then we went down to 1 hour time frame and pictured some candlestick pattern, which is a bullish candlestick pattern, the pin bar. All right, bullish pin bar. Then we went down to 15 minutes time frame, which is our entry time frame, and we discovered that we missed the first signal, the first entry. So let me still repeat myself right there. So our first entry should be somewhere here. Okay, at this point we had a doji right there. Okay, but we missed the doji, and after the doji the price pushed up. Okay, so we missed that entry. So after that entry there was a pullback right here, and a candlestick pattern, which is a pin bar also, hammer formed again, and that's the reason why we entered this trade at that point. If I use my MetaTrader 5, you are going to see the pin bar clearly formed at that point. Then we enter our trade. Okay, we enter a trade right there. After the close of that pin bar, we enter. So this is how simple analyzing this trade, and we are going to hold the trade anyways, because I discovered that this is not a kind of strong resistance right here. So the price is definitely probably going to break this particular resistance. All I need to do now is to set my stop loss below this this point. Okay, I'm going to set my stop loss here after this analysis, and already I've seen my take profit 1 and take profit 2, and I'm going to hold my trade and see how it plays out. I'll also monitor it to know if I'm going to hold it for a very long time as a swing trader. Okay, so guys, this is how simple this analysis is. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like what you have seen, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Then don't forget to leave a comment and also like this video. If you want me to do more videos like this, then leave a comment telling me the kind of video you want me to create. If you like this kind of video, also let me know in the comment section, guys. Alright, and I will see you guys in the next one. Remember to join my Telegram group. Okay, I'm going to be dropping free signals on Telegram group. I've already created a kind of pool, and many people want my free signals there. I'm going to be doing that also, so don't miss out on this. Join my Telegram group. The link will be below the description of this video. And also prepare, I'm going to have a 1-week intensive training just for few persons. Okay, I might drop the link here, or maybe not now. It might be the first week of this month, next month, which is May. I don't really know where. Once I see the time, I will inform you guys. But I might drop the link here for you guys to join and start preparing for the class. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy. Remember, anybody asking you to invest so amount of money, to make so amount of money on Telegram is not kingsfx. On YouTube is not kingsfx. I don't do an investment program. I don't even have a signal group. So for you to know, if anybody is asking you to pay this amount or pay this amount for anything, that's not me. Okay, guys, avoid being scammed. Bye for now.